Here we will see clustered index in SQL Server. Clustered indexes use key values for sorting and storing data rows in a table or view. They are included in the index definition. A clustered index organizes data using a special structure called B-tree or balanced tree, which enables searches, inserts, updates and deletes. In this structure, the top node of the B tree is called root node. The nodes at the bottom level are called leaf nodes. Any index levels between the root and the leaf nodes are known as intermediate levels. In the B tree, the root node and intermediate level nodes contain index pages that hold index rows. The leaf nodes contains the data pages of the underlying table. The pages in each level of the index are linked using another structure called double linked list. Since the data rows are stored in one direction, each table can only have a single clustered index. The only time the data rows in a table are stored in a sorted order is when the table contains a clustered index. When a table has a clustered index, the table is called clustered table. If a table has no clustered index, its data rows are stored in an unordered structure called heap. When you define a clustered index on a column, it will store data based on that column values and store it. Thus, it helps in faster retrieval of the data. When you create a primary key constraint on a table, by default a unique clustered index is automatically created on the table. Here we will see example for clustered index. Suppose if you want to search 50, then the search engine will start the search from the root node. It will check whether 50 is less than or equal to 30. As 50 is not less than or equal to 30, so the non-leaf nodes and the leaf nodes that come under the root node 30 are completely bypassed. Then it will go to the next node, that is 50, and check whether 50 is less than or equal to 50. This condition is true. So then it goes to the non-leaf nodes 40 and 50 which are under the root node 50. Then it will check whether 50 is less than or equal to 40. And since the condition fails, it will bypass the leaf nodes which come under the non-leaf node 40. Then it will check the other non-leaf node, that is 50, and here the condition satisfies as 50 equals to 50. And it goes to scan the leaf node sequentially. That is, it approximately scans 10 records. The advantages of using clustered index are: clustered indexes are an ideal option for range or group by with max min count type queries. In this type of index, a search can go straight to a specific point in data so that you can keep reading sequentially from there. Clustered index method uses a location mechanism to locate index entry at the start of a range. It is an effective method for range searches when a range of search key values is requested. It helps you to minimize page transfers and maximize cache hits. There are some disadvantages of clustered index. A clustered index creates lots of constant page splits, which include data pages as well as index pages. It will create an extra work for SQL inserts, updates and deletes. A clustered index takes a long time to update records when the fields in the clustered index are changed. The leaf nodes mostly contain data pages in the clustered index.